Hi guys, okay, this week we're gonna talk a little bit about space. So I'm gonna go here to my website, to my album, and then I'm gonna look for the word space. And then I have over here different definitions of space. En español, space is espacio. We have a different kind of space, like overlap, shading, placement, size, value and focus, and linear perspective. So for this week, what we're gonna do for 4th and 5th grade, we're gonna make those birch birds. Talking about space is gonna be where our bird is gonna be located. And this was supposed to be three-dimensional because I made some kind of like a little ring or something. But one of my cats decided to fall asleep on top of my paper, so now it's flat. Nice. Anyway, so what we're gonna do first, we're gonna draw the branches. Then we're gonna color in between. You can do rainbow combination of colors. You can do pattern or warm color. Patterns of a mix of warm and cool colors or different kind of patterns you can use to color your work. Then after that you're going to take a red color paper to cut your little bird. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw my branches. You remember I used to teach you all the time the branches, they look like a letter Y. Alright, it's not gonna be like a straight as a letter Y, but something similar. But I'm gonna try to go with the diagonal lines. Of course, my marker doesn't have any ink. So I'm gonna make a big, look like a letter Y here. I guess it looks like a Y. That's gonna be my first step. Then after that, you're gonna make some overlapping branches o líneas superpuestas. Generalmente las ramas se parecen a la letra Y, eso es lo que estaba diciendo. Now, although it looks like straight lines, they're not quite straight. Now, if you want to do this, start this activity with pencil, that's okay. I'm going with marker because I just want to make sure you can see in the video. I have a letter V over here. Anyway, once when you finish drawing, you're going to make main lines in a curvy way. Because in this way, when you decide to work in your branches, you are going to have a reference of how to do this little line texture. So what I'm gonna get the same marker. If you don't have a marker, you can do this activity with crayons or color pencils. It's going to take a little bit longer. This marker is not good. Let's find out if this one is better. Yeah, this one is better. And then until you cover all your paper. Now, once when you cover all your paper, you're going to take a combination of different colors to make the background. Now, put attention, I put my marker because I need to draw with the conic part, not with the pointy part. It has to be the conic part. La parte cónica de la felpa del marcador. In this case, I can create a pattern with 3 colors. And then when you are done with coloring everything, what you're gonna do, you're gonna draw the little bird. Now, it's gonna be like a D letter or half of the circle. gonna do with pencil. And then this area of the tail is gonna be like a little tongue this way, then el copetito, a triangle for the eye area, and a beak. Now, half of the circle is like I'm making a billet. Beak, eye. Once when you're done, you're going to use your marker to trace all your bird. And what I did in this area, I used a red color and orange color to make some areas look like a shade. And then you're going to glue your bird on your paper.